Hello there. So this video is about how to prepare for an online exam. So how do you do it? Study. just kidding. Yes, it's more than that, but basically it is reading the textbook, the assigned chapters, watching the lecture videos. This will help in preparing. Now, where can you find the test? It's in the quizzes, or it might say quizzes and exams. Here's for the quizzes. And so when you scroll down, using this as an example for the classes, no matter what online class you are in, you'll see the Module 1 exam. It's all based on the modules found in the content section. For this one, it has to be the American History course, AMH 2020, 1865 to the present. So you see Reconstruction, New South and West, and Industrialization and Immigration, the three first chapters of the textbook. Here we see 5 people have already taken it. So to help prepare for it, go to the content section and find the module number that links up with that same exam. Here we see Module 1, just as similar to what's the title of the test is. Here you will also find the PDF documents for Reconstruction, and so let's look at that. And this is an outline that you use to help you take notes, all right, while you are reading the book, or they also follow along the lecture videos. So going back to the content, going back to the module as well, right here, and what you will see, very simply, is the Reconstruction lecture. You click on that, and just hit play, and it follows the same guidelines. Now, after you're writing and taking the notes, what you will want to do is make 3x5 cards. So using this PDF thing as an example, opening it up again, right here, area of Reconstruction. As you can see, you need to know these items that are listed in pretty good detail. For example, Lincoln's Plan 10%. So on the 3x5 card, you'll have Lincoln's 10% plan, all right? Then write the answers from your notes. So you can either make the 3x5 cards as you're writing, or write them on the outline and then transfer for the notes. Of course, if you do it on the 3x5 card, make it faster. So the student will look at this as a flashcard. And on the back, put the answer: 10% of 1860 voters that swore loyalty to the Union. There's also, they had to renounce secessionism. They had to keep the 13th Amendment in, which abolished slavery in their state constitutions, and provide education for the freemen as well. Once you make this stack of 3x5 cards, just go through it. Go through it until you basically know the majority of the material, and then go take the exam. Understand, the exam is only 1 hour long. It's 50 questions, but that is plenty enough time to complete it. Do not spend an over amount of time on the question. If you don't know the answer, go to the next one. Go to the next one. And please, don't wait until like 11 o'clock p.m. to take it, because then it only gives you 59 minutes. You might have a hard time loading. I don't know about your internet sources and things of this nature. If you're experiencing or probably think you're going to have thunderstorms, come to the one of the campuses or branch campuses and take the exam. And by the way, not probably a good place to take the exam, but McDonald's has pretty good internet, and I think Chick-fil-A too. So you could probably have a nice little meal while you're taking the exam. All right? So if you have any questions, feel free not to hesitate to email me. And good luck on your first exam.